So we got Trey, we got Gordo working with a 30 gram Major Craft Japar tailspin. Right now we're in Coronado Ferry Landings. There's a crap ton of bait around. Let's see what we can get into right at the moment. Right now we've probably had 20-30 mackies in the last, I don't know, what do you think, couple hours? The last couple hours we just had 20-30 mackies. There's bait all around right now, so we'll see if I get hit. There we go. There we go. Oh, damn. Shoo! That's a good one. Oh, wow. Oh. There we go. Getting it done. Major Craft, Chikpara. Ah! Alright, come back over here. I forgot my... Gordon's over here working with the Major Craft, or not Major Craft, the Mega Bait. So he's catching them on that shit too. That shit's working for him. Oh. Trey's over here probably working on the same thing maybe. Yeah, another one. They're getting bit, so it works. You guys can use my jacket for a towel if you want. Oh, hold on. Well, I was putting my sunglasses on. Are you still on? No, he's off. There you go. I'm on. There we go. Damn, they're getting bigger. They got a lot of fight right now. I bet you it's the water temp coming up. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's still cold, but rod and reel I'm working with. It's a Shakespeare ugly stick. Believe it or not, I've had this particular rod for like, I don't know, 15 years. And then this is a quantum iron that I've been throwing. There we go. Another one. Oh, wow. This one. Whew. I swear, dude, they feel like I'm catching bonito right now. The way they're hitting it, it feels like bonito. Got another one. If we're trying to get on a skiff, we might as well save some. What do you think?
Alright, this is my last one, and then we good. I lost it again.
Oh, I'm on. There we go. There's another one. I swear, dude, they're not fighting like Max. They got so much fucking pull on them. Oh, he popped off right at the freaking pier. Oh, I'm on again. I'm off. Yeah. All the rain has got to have had an effect on this too, because it's got to like made the water clarity better and probably just, I mean, I can't say that for sure. I mean, because a lot of the stuff that's washing into the bay and whatnot is coming from like our streets and shit. Hell yeah.
Yep.